Tesla is already rolling out new feature for in-car Grok. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has confirmed that the company will roll out a new feature for in-car Grok as it is rolling out to vehicles for the first time. Grok was just recently added as a feature to Tesla vehicles within the past week, but owners are already requesting some small changes to make it more convenient to use. Tesla debuts hands-free Grok AI with update 2025.26. What you need to know. The first is already on the way, Musk confirmed, as Holmar's blog requested a simple but useful feature for Grok, as it is used within Tesla vehicles. Holmar's requested that "Hey Grok" be used as a wake word, automatically activating the AI assistant without having to touch any buttons. Musk confirmed it is already in development and on the way to vehicles. This feature is incredibly similar to that of "Hey Siri" with iPhones and other iOS devices. The phone will recognize your voice and hear that prompt, automatically activating Siri. Apple's assistant will then perform whatever task it is asked to perform. It's a simple but effective performance feature. Grok is already getting its first reviews from owners as it rolls out to owners for the first time. It is a long time coming too. Tesla has been hinting that Grok would be enabled in the vehicles for a while now, and it just started its initial rollout last week. After using Grok in my Tesla tonight, I'm insanely impressed. I honestly went into it a bit skeptical on how useful it would actually be, but I asked it some real genuine questions and it nailed it every time. Asked it if I take my Tesla to San Francisco next week, where Grok is available in vehicles with the AMD chip and requires premium connectivity or a Wi-Fi connection to use. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.